Now, so far, we've seen the application we're going to develop in this course. It's called the Smart House app and has a list of smart devices that you can click on and explore. Now, the next question is, how do we build such an application? Where do we even start? Now, just like everything else in life, it all starts with data. That's right. In the case of iTwins, this data is the infrastructure asset that we want to create an iTwin of. Is it a building or a roadway or a wind farm? In this case, we want to create an iTwin of a house model. Now, this is the actual design file that we're going to use in this course. It's a DGN file in MicroStation of a house. I actually have a joke about DGN files I want to share. Why did the DGN file cross the road? Because they were both designed in MicroStation, the DGN and the road. It's actually not my joke, it's my dad's joke, and it is a dad joke, so you can give him the credit or the blame for it. But now that we have our data, what are we going to do with this data? Now, that question is answered in software engineering, usually by requirements that we gather from a user or a use case statement. Now, in this case, this is the use case statement that we're going to work with. Create an iTwin of a house model, visualize it with an iTwin app, add initial data source that monitors smart devices, present device data using markers and UI. Now, if that just made your head hurt, I totally understand, but don't worry, we're going to make this way simpler. We're going to break it down into 4 simple steps. Create an iTwin, visualize it with an iTwin app, add initial data source, and present that data on the iTwin. This is a pretty common pattern used in visual digital twin applications. The examples that we saw at the beginning of the course, the smart wind farm, connected highway, they all follow the same pattern. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll see a list of all these steps on this page, and we have chapter titles for each individual step. Now, the first chapter is about creating iTwins as the first step, so that's what we're going to start with as far as beginning our smart house journey. So I'll see you in the next chapter, and let's get this going.